Namaste. My name is Nisha Thakur and I am a maths online tutor. In this video, I am going to solve this calculus problem. Differentiate with respect to x, sine square root x. So let's begin. Let y equal sine square root sine square root x. Here we apply chain rule. Both sides differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx equal d by dx sine square root sine square root x. We know that d upon dx sine x equal cos x. So this is we apply here and this convert into cos. Here x value this whole here square root sine square root x. Now here we apply chain rule. So this part we differentiate again. Square root sine square root x. We know that d upon dx x to the power n. So n x to the power n minus 1. We apply here this one. So here sine square root x to the power half. It means n value half. We can write cos square root sine square root x, and here half power, so we can write here half. Okay, and sine square root x to the power 1 upon 2 minus 1. And again we differentiate this part, inner side radicand. Okay, so d upon dx sine square root x. I'm doing step by step, but if you have any doubt, please ask me. Cos square root sine square root x, and this is 1 upon 2, and here this is sine square root x. 1 upon 2 minus 1 is minus 1 upon 2, and here we differentiate this. Again we apply this d upon dx sine x, so we can write cos x. So here this sine, this we can convert into cos square root x. Okay, again we differentiate this part. We are using here chain rule. Okay, we can simplify this part and differentiate this. So cos square root sine square root x, and this negative half power here going in denominator, and it will be positive, and half power we can write in radical form. So this is 1 upon 2 square root sine square root x cos square root x, and here we can apply this rule. Here x to the power is 1 upon 2, so n is 1 upon 2. Okay, so 1 upon 2 x n minus 1, n value 1 upon 2 minus 1. Okay, cos square root sine square root x, and here this 1 multiply this cos square root x. Okay, divided by here 2 and here 2, so this is 4 square root sine square root x, and this x 1 upon 2 minus 1, so this is minus 1 upon 2. Okay, we can write in next step. Here this goes down, so its power will be positive. Okay, so cos square root sine square root x, here multiply, okay, cos square root x divided by 4 square root sine square root x, and this is square root x. Okay, so very simple question, just do step by step, and you have to know these two rules of differentiation rule. If you know this, so you can solve this question very easily. Just remember, do step by step, don't skip any step. But if you have any doubt, please ask me, and if you liked my video, so please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.